And we're going to go back and start working on the telescoping chambers. We have 4 of them. Number 3 is binding. Got a nice click there. Nothing on the inner or outer pin. Same on 4. I think we might have 4 set already. Okay, nice click out of 1. 2. Okay, deep false set. I'm wondering if we just picked all of the concentric telescoping pins. There's 4 chambers there. Let's test out the magnetic pin. Yep, the magnetic pin just bound. And we got a very deep false set, probably just inner driver pins left now. And we got that open. That was far faster than I was expecting.